Ito mga boss, pakinggan natin dahil tago sa puso nila ito. Itong talumpati ni BP Inday Sara tungkol kina Saldico, Martin Romualdez. Kasama na yan si PBBM mga boss. Ito.
You will see list of properties in Spain, France, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Australia. And you would be surprised, some of these politicians are neophyte politicians. To have amassed so much money to buy properties abroad. Relatives with golden visas, kapatid, pamangkin, tatay, nanay, easily $500,000 to invest in a golden visa. And you would be surprised, before they were politicians, they had nothing, no properties at all, not even $500,000 in their bank account.
Mga boss, $500,000 para sa Golden Visa. Kapatid ka mag-anak. Ayan, patungkol yan kina Martin Romualdez Saldico. Baka na kay PBBM mga boss. Grabe, laking pera mga boss no. At sinabi ni BP Inday doon sa kanilang pagiging politician nag-umpisa yon. Ano mga boss, tingin nyo?